done male reproductive system, that you can find in the part 1. In the part 2, we will do the female reproductive system. Female reproductive, as I have earlier told you, we can identify male and female externally by there is present the brood pouch, which is made up of 8th, 9th and 10th on the ventral side we can found, and second is there is no present anal style. Clear hai bachcho? Then now we will do, first part is ovaries, very important part which forms the eggs. Second part is from the ovaries arise the duct, which are called the oviducts. The function of this oviduct is to carry the eggs which is produced by the ovaries, that is carried by the oviduct. When these two oviducts, one is from the one in the left and other is on the right, when they meet, they form the common oviduct. After that, from the common oviduct, there is present vagina. Around the vagina, they open by the female genital pore. Female genital pore. Around this female genital pore, there is present, what is there present? 3 pair of external genitalia. I said 3 pairs, means total 6. 3 on one side and 3 on another side. This is clear? What is the function of this? To open the brood pouch during the copulation. Now, beside this, there is present one more function structure, that is called the collateral glands. Collateral glands. From these collateral glands, there arises the collateral duct. They are also present 2 in number as the oviduct, as the ovary, which is 2 in number. This is also 2 in number. This is also 2 in number. And collateral duct, they are also 2 in number. They open into the phallomeres or genital external genitalias. ठीक है, I have told you these phallomeres, external genitalia, or its second name is phallomere. These phallomeres, they are 3 pair, means 6. Means they are 6 in number. This is clear to everyone? Then there is the one additional structure present, spermatheca, which is, this we have already studied in the earthworm also. What is spermatheca? They are again 2 in number, or its function is to store the sperms during the copulation. During the copulation, the sperms are stored here. One right spermatheca, that is degenerating, and left one is a properly structured in the common oviduct or near the vagina. Let's draw the structure and we can see all these structure in the diagram and understood that all the parts. There are first present one pair of ovaries. First part is ovaries, one pair of ovaries. They are present. They started from the second segment and move up to sixth segment. They are pointed on the starting point. After that they become the large in size. They become broad. There are present number of tubular structures which are narrow on the upper side, and as they are moving toward the downward they are becoming broader. Why is like this? Here the egg is formed. Here the development of egg takes place. As they move, here its egg size is small, then again large, 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 large and largest, as well as mature. As well as mature. Mature means its a chromosome number is half. Meiosis takes place. Meiosis takes place. Then is there are present number of such finger-like projections which are collectively present together, same like on the right side and one on the left side. Starting they are narrow one. As they are moving downward and inward, its size is going on increasing. As they move descending, their size is increasing. It's clear?
Yes.
Again here same structure is also there on the another side. Upper side it is a narrow one. On the lower side it become broad because the size of egg is continuously increasing from upper to the lower side. In the egg is mature as a descending order. This is clear. One pair of ovaries. From this ovaries there arises last segment, that is broad as well as long also. Broad and long as compared to upper segments of these finger-like projections which collectively form the ovary. Then from this ovary, these all the finger-like projections, they are collected together and they are collected together and move downward. Move downward and inward, and they join each other and form, I have already wrote that they form the common oviduct. This is the oviduct, or these are the ovary. वो दोनों मिलके की बना देंदियां ovaries, and one is called ovary. These two ovi ducts. One this oviduct, this is another oviduct. Collectively they form the, one is called oviduct, two are called the oviducts. These oviducts, when they fuse, they form a common oviduct. This common oviduct, they again meet with each other. There is present two important structures which are called the spermatheca. Spermatheca. I have told you there are present one pair of spermatheca. One is left, another is the right. The left one is, that is degenerated, and second, which is functional, it is a bulb like on the upper side and become the tubular, and there is a one opening. Here the sperms are stored. As करके इनको क्या कहने हैं? Spermatheca. This is called spermatheca. I think this is clear. This is a, as it is vestigial. Vestigial means this is degenerating, or this is become non-functional, this remain a functional. The penis, pseudopenis, which is present in the male, that entered here, spermathecal pore. This is called the spermathecal pore. Or from here, from this spermathecal pore, the pseudopenis shed the sperms into the spermatheca, which are stored here. After that, there is formed the brood pouch. Brood pouch, which is formed by the 8th, 9th, 10th, and this brood pouch is collectively joined with each other and form a common structure. This is called brood pouch. Brood pouch. This is clear to everyone. This brood pouch, they have now last portion. There is one pore. This is called the vagina, where the titillator that move to open this vagina. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Titillator, which is present in the phallomere of the केड़े वाले phallomere च है? Right phallomere of the male reproductive system. Then around this there is present, I have told you, there are present 6. Outer one is a comparatively broader one and longer one, same like here. I have told you. Then is the second one, then second one, then is the third one, which is smaller in structure. They are not as typical, they don't have as typical structure as the male external genitalia. They are simpler ones. These external genitalia, outer external genitalia of each side, they contain the ducts of collateral ducts. There is the opening of collateral collateral duct. These collateral ducts, they are tree like structures. जिस तरह असीं घर धनिया देखने आ ना, धनिया इदा करके हुंदा, ओहदियां साइड ब्रांचिज हुंदियां, उन्हां च पत्ते पत्ते छोटे छोटे लगे हुंदे आ, लाइक दैट देयर इज प्रेजेंट tubular structures. They have a leaf like structures on their they have many tubular structures in it, branched and rebranched. This structure, which is larger in size as compared to this one. This right left phallomere, that is smaller in size as compared to left phallomeres. It is a branched and rebranched structure. Branched and rebranched. This is comparatively smaller in size the secretions which are produced by these collateral glands they are carried by the collateral duct and open into the, where they open into the first phallomere on both the sides. First phallomeres. These contain the secretions which later on form the cocoon like structure where the eggs are fertilized, eggs are stored. जिस तरह आपां पढ़िया सी अर्थवर्म च, उन्हां च भी there is formation of cocoon formation where the eggs, fertilized eggs are stored for the protection. मतलब उन्होंने एक घर जिहा मिलेगा जिहदे अंदर की होएगा कि जिन्ने भी फर्टिलाइज्ड एग्स है वो स्टोर करेंगे तो उन्हां दे अंदर की हो जूगी डेवलपमेंट. लाइक दैट they produce the certain secretions which later on form the cocoon like structure, hard structure. This is like this purse like structure. This is purse like structure. इस तरह दा जिस तरह लेडीज वो पर्स नहीं पकड़दियां, like that. It's a structure later on. Secretions form that. These the lines, they indicate the number of fertilized eggs in it. ये लाइनां जियां आपां देखांगे अगे अगे रसोई च सानू है किन्ने सारे मिल जांदे हुंदे आ, जगह जगह उन्होंने छड्डे दे हुंदे, रात नूं सवेरे देखोगे. These are the they are maroonish in color. जिस कलर दे कॉकरोच के ऊपर कवरिंग हुंदी है, that color these cocoons are. Basically they are the covering which protect the fertilized egg to up to development, so that new younger cockroaches come out of this case. This is also called egg case also. Ootheca is one its name, another name is egg case because it cover the eggs, so it is called the egg case. I think structure is clear to everyone. Clear? Here eggs are formed, they are carried by the they are carried by the oviduct, they open into the, where they open into, move into the, this common oviduct. From this common oviduct, they are present in the vagina portion. Clear? When they are fertilized, they move to the downward through the female genital pore, which is present here. Female genital pore. Now, next part is the copulation. Copulation. I will not eliminate this diagram because the copulation that we can understand from here very easily. During the copulation, both cockroach in opposite direction, means on the mouth, they are in the opposite direction, hind ends, they are near to each other. This is clear? Hind ends, they are near to each other, like this is the position, like this. Hind ends, these are the three pair of legs, these are the wings. This is male, or another is female cockroach. From the behind end, they come closer to each other and there is present wing, upper wing, which is hidden by the lower wing. This is like this. This is the posture of the copulation. Here the male, try to understand this thing, male cockroach which have three phelomeres or external genitalia, right, left and ventral phelomeres. These phelomeres, they enter into the parts of the phelomeres like pseudopodia, titillator, they all open this portion. The brood pouch is like this. They have two parts, upper and lower. They open titillator and other aspirate lobe and other structure, they open the brood pouch and this enter into the vagina portion. That is, enter into the vagina portion. The pseudopenis that enter into, where they enter, spermathecal pore. This from this spermathecal pore, the pseudopenis, they shed the sperms into the spermatheca, where now after that male and female cockroach separate out. Male and female, after transferring the sperms, the male and female cockroach separate out. The function of male is to shed the sperms inside the female. Sperms, they shed that through the pseudopenis, titillator, aspirate ring, the aspirate lobe, they all put this, some open this female genital pore, some open the vagina, some open the spermatheca. Now here the form the eggs. Eggs move downward and become developed and mature. After that it moves through the oviduct and come into the common oviduct and enter into the vagina. From the spermatheca, these sperms which is already stored, they come here, they come here. मान लो ए एग है, sperms they come here and there is fertilization is takes place. Now fertilized eggs from the female genital pore they come here in the brood pouch portion. From the collateral glands, which is one on the left side and other is on the right side, these secretions they are carried by the collateral ducts and they throw the secretions kithe sud dende hai on the fertilized egg. So there is become the covering around the fertilized egg. From this brood pouch, which is like this, from this brood pouch, this egg case as well as fertilized egg which is present in that case, means this egg case, when that is come out of brood pouch, after when they come out of the body of the female, it become harder one. They take the shape like this. ठीक है? ते after that there is formation, development of the egg. Thank you. Next we will do in